Good morning, fam. How are you? How was the night? Hope you are good. Happy Juma, happy Juma, happy Juma to all of us, and happy Friday to all of us also. You already know my name is Aboyigi001. Kindly don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop the video, you'll be the first person to watch it. You already know today is the last day of the week, which is the last day of, of the work also. So let's see what the chat has for us as today. So that tomorrow we just use that one to backtest the trade we took this week and our to know our mistake. So before we enter into the chart, let's quickly check the fundamental analysis. Let's see maybe there is high impact news so that we can move away from the news before the news drop out, maybe 15 minutes before the news drop out, and we can enter the trade 15 minutes or 15 minutes after the news is dropped. What I used to say is that news just creates volatility. It does not create trend. News does not create trend. It does not create, it just creates volatility, sweep the liquidity, and continue the direction. So what it does do is just that it swept all those buy limit, all those retail, all we retail trader. It swept us out when the news came and go in the direction. So that's why it's advisable for us to stay away from the market before the news, 15 minutes before the news came out, before the news come out, and after we should enter the market 15 minutes after the news came out. That's the rule of the trade. So let's quickly go into the chart. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what the chart asks for. Let's see what the market asks for us, and see what the news asks for us also. This is last day. You can see from Friday, from 12 a.m., the high part news have been dropping. You can see we have GBP. They say, let's see this one. They say what? They say actual data the forecast is good for the currency, which means GBP is buying. And what did they say here? They say actual data the forecast Euro 2 is buying German flash service. So let's move to GBP is around. They have GBP around 1030 also. What they say actual data the forecast is good for the currency. Let's see USA, USA also. We trade euro, we trade GBP, and we trade USD. Let's see what USD has for advanced GDP. They say, let's say the usual effect. They say actual greater than the forecast is good for the quality, which means they are expecting the actual to be greater than the forecast. This is the previous one they gave us. This is the previous one. You can see the previous one. This is the previous one, which is dropped last July self. The last news that dropped is on July self. It's on July 2025. So when they say this and they said what? They say actual data in forecast is good for the currency. Which one is the last? 222. So this is 0.3. We are expecting the actual to get than the forecast. And the next is what is 230, you can see. And let's see 345. They say flash manufacturing PMI. Let's see what the half is also. They said they said actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency, which is they are expecting the actual to greater than the forecast also. And what they say this one, they say the actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency, so they are expecting the actual to greater than the forecast also. Yeah, so let's just see what is happening. This is what we are seeing on the news. This is what the news has for us. What we just need now. Let's move to the chart. Let's see what chart has for us so that we can just do this is chart. Sorry, I did not bright the lights before, so I have to bright it now. So this is the chart. We already know we started from the let's see from the XAUUSD XAUUSD, which is good. This is what is happening on good. The market is in bullish. Yesterday, and our analysis there. This is what is happening. You can see on daily time frame, market is in between this and this swing high and this swing low. You can see this is what the market is. Market has not given us any just giving us uptrend. This is the uptrend the market. This is the trend the market give us. So since we have know our swing high and our swing low on daily time frame, we move towards 4 hours time frame to see what is happening for our time frame. You can see this is what is happening on our 4 hours, and these are our key level, these are our resistance. This is what is happening again. Let's see, maybe this resistance is going to push the market down. If this resistance, let's see, and let's just read the market on what on daily on 4 hours time frame. Market is telling us uptrend. Let's just read this market. We know this is the supply before. You understand? Market try to push it down, but there is FEGF, the buyer enter here, because this is this is if you see, this is change break of structure here. Market give us change of character here. Market came back to this where the buyer this demand zone where the buyer enter. So the buyer push it up again, but it couldn't what? It couldn't break this resistance. This resistance to break it down. Now with the market is in buy. You understand? We are in an uptrend. This is where we are expecting the market to buy from. The next time the market is coming down, this is where the market is coming to continue the buy, because you can see there is FEG and this is liquidity here. This is liquidity here. This is liquidity. And if you will read the market now, let's just read the market. You can see the market breaking this place. This is change of character. And this is the overall break of structure. This is the overall break of structure. And this is the overall break of structure. Yeah, markets give us change of character. And this is the overall break of structure. What is happening now? Market is in this supply. Let's see, maybe this supply is going to push it down. That is what I'm looking. Let's see what this supply is going to push the market down. You know, I said yesterday that we are expecting this supply to push the market down. Maybe the market is going, and this supply is inside what? It's inside this resistance. And market is either market swept this liquidity and continue the downtrend. That is what I'm looking for. But when we moved to 1 hour yesterday, we anticipating for buy yesterday. This is where we anticipating for buy. We said this is break of structure. We said if we see opportunity here, we are buying, and you can see market give us what market this other block was give us the buy. This is last break of structure. No, yesterday we said we should be patient because market is in this supply. So we should be patient. This is what market after market mitigated this after market mitigated this other block. The other block, what this shows the buy. This is what this is about. But the main trend is downtrend. The main trend is uptrend, but this is where we are going to buy on 4 hours. This is where the supply, this is where the demand are. This place are where the demand are, and we are buying massively to uptrend. Seriously, this is where I'm buying. If the seller push it back again, this is where we are buying. But the buyer are trying to push it where this is resistance, where the seller are. We can see the seller have been mitigating this place several times, has been pushing the market. But let's see, maybe they are going to push the market down again. But let's see the opportunity on what on one on 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 1 hour. Let's see the recent opportunity. This is the recent opportunity on 1 hour. This is the recent opportunity on 1 hour. And this is the where the opportunity is. This is the block. So this is the lower high that give us this higher high. Let's see what is going to happen here. Maybe they are going to push it down. You don't know let's see what they are going to do. If you see break of structure here, if you see change of character here, definitely the market has trend the trend. But market is in here. Let's see what this market is trying to do. Maybe this other block will push it up again, or it is going to push it down. Let's see. Market is in this resistance, so we guys be patient, because anything can happen in this resistance. The seller can sell it again. You understand? The seller can sell it again. So let's just wait focus. Where we already know that this is where we are buying. If the market is buying, you understand? So let's just know that we are buying. All these space are liquidity. What are liquidity market scale? The reason why this week now, if the market give us break of structure, change of character, definitely we can take the sell for the correctional movement. That's the sort what we are. Let's move to 15 minutes our entry. Let's see what is happening on 15 minutes. This is what is happening on 15 minutes. Yeah, I cannot redefine this thing because this is what 1 hour gave us. We just follow 1 hour. We just follow 1 hour. We just follow 1 hour. 1 hour trend. 1 hour give us break of structure. This is the break of structure. This is the other. This is the full body candle that break it. All this week it did not break the market. Or all this for me, they are not breaking the market. This will serve as liquidity. Yeah. So let's just see what this trend is trying to do. This is what we are going with. This way of let's move to XAGUSD. This is XAGUSD. You can already see market is in this supply and this swing low. This is the swing low, this is the swing high, and this is internal. Let's say internal swing high itself. Let's say internal swing high. And market is in between, you understand? But let's just see what market is trying to do. Let's move to 4 hours to see the recent trend. This is what 4 hours tell us. 4 hours is telling us what? Uptrend, because market has reached the demand. Market has reached the demand. This is where I'm seeing market has reached the demand. Market has reached the demand from here. So the demand is trying to push the market up. So that let's just read this market and see what is happening. You can see market has been, this is the last break of structure, this is change of character. Market give us what? Market give us, as you know, I said it yesterday. I said this is not other block. This is other block is not valid for me. If you watch the video yesterday to the end, you will see that I say this other block is not valid because all the weak candle has already mitigated and it serves as liquidity for me. And you can see market has swept it. Market has break it. So it's coming to this other block. Let's see what this other block is trying. This is going to do. This is the valid other block to push it down. Let's say maybe it's going to push the market down or it's going to break it. So this is the other block. All this one serve as liquidity for me. All this one serve as liquidity. And if the market came back, this is where you are buying. This is where we are buying. This is where we are buying the market. Seriously. But the market cannot come back today, maybe next week. But we know that we are buying from here. Let's move to 1 hour's time frame. Let's see the recent trend. This 1 hour time frame. If we see for 1 hour time frame, this is how we place our trade yesterday. We said we are buying from here because this place has FEG. This place has FEG. That is why we are saying we are buying from yesterday. I said this is liquidity, you understand? You can see. But let's just see the recent trend. The recent trend after the FEG mitigated, market is giving us what? It's giving us the uptrend. So this is the uptrend the market is giving us. Let's just see the recent opportunity. And if you can read the market, this is 1 hour break of structure. Yeah, this is not valid for me, but you can see market is coming back here to continue what? To continue the buy. And let's just read the market. All this one serve as liquidity. Market is going to sweep. All this really serve as liquidity. Market is going to sweep. All this one serve as, if market came back, all this will serve as liquidity because there's FEG down. So all this will serve as liquidity. Market is going to go. But let's see the recent trend now. This is the recent trend. Let's just follow the recent trend and see what is happening on the recent trend. This is the recent trend, and we are having what? This way we are having the FEG. We are having the FEG here. Yeah, to say let's say other block. We are having other block here. The reason why I say I put that place from here is because this is where we are having FEG, and our stop loss will be below this low. This, if you want to take the buy again, this way we are taking the buy. We are taking the buy here. After taking this, because this is the last break of short market gave us. This is the last break of short market gave us. After market gave us this last break of short, what did the market do? Market just gave us change. You can see this is the order. This is the space that we are going to buy. If you want to buy, if you want to buy the market, this way we are buying. We are buying to this place. This is where we are buying again. Let us take a. This is what we are having on gold and silver. We are buying from silver. We are buying from silver, and we are buying from silver here also. We are buying from silver, from gold also. Sorry, we are buying from gold here. We are buying from gold here, and our low will be here. Let's just see what is happening on 15 minutes. This is what is happening on 15 minutes. As for me, we are having FEG here. We still have FEG here. So all these ones serve as a liquidity for me if market came back to that place. So that this is what we are having. This is what we are having. So we are buying on gold and silver also. Let's see 15 minutes silver. Let's see what is giving us. Let's see their 15 minutes. You can say this is 15 minutes. This is where the FEG is of 15 minutes. All these ones are liquidity. So let's just take this buy. If you can take this buy and take it to this supply, if this supply can go on the sell. You understand? Let's move to US 30. Let's see what is happening on US 30. US 30, this is what is happening on US 30. Kai, I did not play this trade yesterday because I said that I'm pushing my $10. So I think I trade with $15 this week. So the $15 has remained $9. So I got stop my trade since I've been losing for three days. So I got stop the trade yesterday. So I don't take any trade yesterday. Let's just see what is happening on daily time frame. This daily time frame, you can see this is our swing low, this is our swing high. Market is in between the what? Is in between the swing low and swing high. Let's move to 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is the other block that market remain, because market remain FEG. You can see there's a small FEG here. There's small FEG here, which market supposed to mitigate it before continuing the whole, before dishing out the uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. As for me, we are having liquidity here. As for me, there's FEG here for sell. As for me, there's FEG here for sell also. This is other block. Let's say this 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 buy we stop here. This other block for me. If you want to take this other block, we can take this other block. But on 4 hours, what I'm looking at maybe this as liquidity. Let's say we are expecting the buy from here, and let's say we are seeing liquidity here. Let's say we are seeing liquidity there. You understand? And let's move to, because liquidity has already swept here on 1 hour time frame, but Let's just see what is happening. It's because of this FEG that I'm saying that let's use this as liquidity also. But on what? On 15 on 1 hour time frame, what is happening on 1 hour time frame? This is liquidity. This is liquidity here. After the liquidity was swept here, after the liquidity was swept, the market push it up, give us change of character on 1 hour. You can see this change of character on 1 hour. You can see that this change of character, and because this is the last break of structure, market break with full body can this change of character. All those serve as liquidity, but there is what? There is FEGA. This is where the supply enter. You can see this is where the supply enter. This place, there's FEG again. This is where the supply enter, and this is where the supply enter again. Let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see where the buy is. This is where we took the buy on 15 minutes. This FEG is the one that on 15 minutes. This FEG is the one that is pushing the buy up. Is the one pushing the buy uptrend. Is the one pushing the buy uptrend. Let's just see where it. But we have to be patient though, because you know that there is other block over there. If that block or this if this other block no, there is FEG here. So let's see, maybe that FEG or is not going to hold. But if the market is broken upward, definitely the uptrend what is valid. If we see break of structure on, if market break this place, this higher high with full body candle, definitely the market is uptrend. We are taking the uptrend. Let's see if this FEG or other block is going to put it down 1 hour, because this is where the 4 hours giving us that there is small FEG remain there. So let's just wait. Maybe the FEG is going to mitigate this before continuing uptrend. But if you see the full body candle, definitely we are what? We are buying. This is what the market is giving us. Market sticky. This market. Let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. Let's just be patient, because this is the last break of structure market give us on. This is the last break of structure. And this is another break of structure. But this our liquidity. This was this was liquidity. This was liquidity because there's FED here. This is where the seller enter. So let's just see what is up. Let's see what is what happened. If you can see this buy, the set from there, you can see the set from here. So let's just see what is happening on the set. This is what market is giving us. Let's move to what? Let's move to USEGU. This is where the market is. This is the demand the market is. Let's see what is happening. This is where the market is. This is the what? This is the demand. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's move to 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is what the market. You can see the market is trying to push the market up trend again. But we have to be patient. On 4 hours, this is the last break of structure we have on 4 hours. And on daily time frame, you can see this is the last break of structure, and we are having FEG here. This is where we are expecting, if market is coming back, market should come back to this FEG. Market should come back to this FEG and continue the sell, because this is where we are expecting this buy from. All this one is serve as a liquidity trend. So let's see what is happening. Let's just wait and see what is happening. Let's move to 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is where the FEG is. So all this one serve as liquidity. Market will mitigate this way and continue downtrend. So let's just wait for the market. Let's see what the market has for us. Because after the market has mitigated this this other block, let's see, maybe it's going to push it up, or it's not going to push it up. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see, maybe there's opportunity to buy. There's no opportunity to buy yet. We can't say there's opportunity to buy yet. What I'm saying is sell. You already know what I'm saying is sell. On 1 hour time frame, what I'm seeing is sell. You can see on 4 hour self, this is other block here. This is other block here, and this is break of structure here. This is break of structure here. Let's see. This is break of structure on 4 hours. This is where you are having the sell. If you want to sell again, because this is liquidity, this is FEG. All these ones have as liquidity. And this is the way we are selling. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. But I used to say we need to be patient too, because the market is in what? Is in near the demand zone. It's near the demand zone. And we don't know what that demand is going to do. On 4 hours, let's see what demand is trying to do. This is what the demand is trying to do. Let's see this weekend of 4 hours. Maybe it swept this liquidity. This is what is happening. This one's how I did it, and there's gap here. There's gap there. Let's just see, maybe this 4 hours other block is going to push it down. On 1 hour, let's see, maybe there is opportunity on that gap. You can see this is the gap. Let's just try. Maybe we can push the market down from here, but we should be patient too. Yes, we should be patient. The reason why I'm trying to push the market down from here is because it has liquidity. You can see all these ones serve as liquidity. This serve as liquidity. A market is going to sweep the liquidity, continue the downtrend. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for sell for here. We are selling from here. We are selling. Now this is where my stop loss will be. On 4 hours, what did 4 hours give us? This is the last order block on 4 hours. This is what 4 hours is giving us. Four hours is giving us set pattern also. Let's see if the sell is going to happen on 1 hour. This is where we are expecting the sell. What P here? Liquidity swept. That's why I'm expecting the sell. Let's move to 15 minutes. Maybe there is where we can shift the opportunity. This is where we can shift it. The reason why there is liquidity here also, and this is the FEG is giving us. Let's see for what the FEG is. So the FEG is near the key level. It's near the key level. Let's see, maybe it's going to respect this. It's going to respect it. So we are in what? We are in sell. Let's just sell the market. Let's sell the market. Let's see what is happening. This is liquidity. All these ones are liquidity. You can see all these ones are liquidity. So market is going downtrend. So our stop loss will be, our take profits will be here. Let's move to euro. Let's see what is happening on euro also. On euro also, this is where the market is. And you can see market has given us change of break of structure. No, it does not give us with full body candle. Let's move forward. You can see on foot is downtrend. This is correctional market. The market is what is uptrend, but that trend was is correctional move. This is where the market is. And this serve as what? Break of structure. And this is where I'm expecting this is the other block I'm expecting the market to come. Because we have FEG here. All these ones have as liquidity, you can see, and we have FEG here. This, let's just close this. Let's see the recent one. Let's see where the supply is. This as our left now, this is where we are expecting the market to reach before continuing the uptrend. As for me, this is where I'm expecting the market to reach before continuing the uptrend. This is my own demand. This serve as inducement for me. It serve as inducement for me. It serve as inducement for me. Because you can see this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. Internal break of structure. And what is happening now? After market give us, we are expecting the market to here. Hmm? So we are expecting the buy. We are expecting the sell from it. Let's just sell. This is where we are buying, and let's put our what? Let's see the opportunity we can buy from here. This is the last break of structure. This is the other block here. And we have internal break of structure here. Internal break of structure. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what the 1 hour is trending us. This is what the 1 hour is telling us. Like you can see, this hour is liquidity for me. This hour is liquidity for me, and we are expecting the set from here. We are expecting the set from here. Let's see what is happening on this set. If you can sell the market from here, it's good for us. Our stop loss will be above. This was, let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's on this 1 hour time frame. You can see this serve as liquidity. We cannot count it as opportunity, it serve as liquidity. So let's see if this is going to push. This is where we are expecting the market to push it down. But I'm just afraid because of this liquidity over here, and because of this key level, this 4 hours key level here, or this key 4 hours, because market may expect We don't know the one market is going to expect, and we are expecting. So we are expecting the take profit here. This way I'm expecting the take profit. The reason why I'm expecting the take profit is because this daily time frame must give us break of short term, very instant break of short term very well. And this is where the demand is. This is where we are taking this one as liquidity. This one cannot push the market up. So as liquidity. And some people they take it as other block we want. Meaning this is the discount. I'm still expecting the set to push it down. And this is, you can see on GU also. This is what's happening on GU also. This is the where the FEG is. This is the demand that push the this is the demand that push the market up. So let's on GU let's redefine this demand. This is demand that push the market up. And all these ones serve as liquidity. All these ones serve as you can see all these ones serve as liquidity because this is the only time other block. Let's just see what 1 hour is trying to tell us. 1 hour, you can on 1 hour there will be FEG. You will see that I see there will be FEG. You can see this all these ones serve as liquidity. All these ones see all these ones serve as liquidity. So there is one. This is where we are expecting the take profit is. This one too, our take profit will be here. The market is a what? Is a massive. The reason why we guys take this opportunity because market is what is the liquidity. This liquidity is going to swept. After this liquidity, definitely we are in sell. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what is happening on UJ. I'm expecting. Let's see from daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is our swing low now, and this one serve as swing internal swing high for me. Be minor swing high is not major swing high for me. Minor swing high is for me because this is the major swing high, and this is major swing high, and this is the recent swing the market created. And what is happening? Let's move to the 4 hours time frame. This 4 hour time frame. This is last break, interbreak control. This is change of character. Market come to this place has start to support. And what we are having here, we are having change of character here because this is the last change break of structure. And this is the other block market related. This is where I'm expecting the what? I'm expecting the market to continue the buy. And this is where the market is. This is supply the market is. This is supply. The supply is what they decide for us. And we are having FEG here. You can see FEG here. This is FEG here. This will serve as liquidity for me. Market is going to sweat and continue the uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's redefine. Let's see what is happening 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is liquidity, but you can see this is the last break of structure. 1 hour came to this place, but let's just follow this 1 hour. Let's follow this 1 hour. But as for me, I know that this is liquidity. If markets sweep this liquidity, this buy we started from here. But let's start it from 1 hour. This is last break of structure on 1 hour. This is last break of structure, and this is that is other block, and that this is the last break of structure because we have seen the full body candle, and we have break of structure. We have this is what we have, and we have liquidity. All these places have as liquidity. You can see there's liquidity here, and Or this is the FEG, this is where the market is. Let's just say we are buying from here also to continue the what to continue the uptrend. Let's see where we can take this up. This is where the FEG is. You can if markets is going to break this place, we are taking the what we are taking the stop take profits here. This is what I'm saying here. And this is the if market came back, this is where we are buying because this serves as liquidity. This is where we are buying here. Let's move to G. Let's move to DJ. Yeah. This is what is happening, DJ. The buyer has already buying on DJ. Let's see what is happening. You can see this is the swing low, this is the swing high. Market is in what is in between, and this is what this swing low has trying to push the market up. Definitely, we are in an uptrend. We are in uptrend. This is what is happening. This is the last break of structure on what? This is the last break of structure. This is the what? This is the supply the market gave us because this is the supply. The supply has turned to resistance. The supply tried to push the market down, and this is the what? This is the FEG. This FEG is give us give us what? Give us it give us break of structure. It give us in change of character on 1 hour time frame, and the market is trying to push the up. Our market came back. Our market is trying to push the market up. So we are expecting the market to come here. We are taking our story take profit here. So let's just see what is happening. Let's move to 1 hour and read the recent trend on 1 hour. This is 1 hour. You can see after market meeting, this is the last break of structure on 1 hour. Market give us change of character. This is change of character order block. Market continue the bullish. So the market has not give us opportunity to what? To take any trade for now. To take any trade for now. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour. This is 1 hour. Or the market has give us liquidity. After market give us liquidity. So this is what is happening. But on 15 minutes, if the market came back, definitely the buyer is here. The buyer is here. So let's just see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Market has not given us break of structure, so we cannot just let's see what is happening on BTC. This is BTC. BTC has not given us the trend we are asking for. You can see this is swing low. And this is our swing high. Market is in between the both. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is where the market is. This is where the market is. And this is the other block on daily time frame. I'm still expecting uptrend because there's FEG here. And this is where I'm expecting the uptrend. That is why I'm expecting the uptrend. So this is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of social change of character. Market came back to this change of character. And this is what is happening here. This does not give us break of structure. Let's see what is happening here. Because let's see if the market break this with full body candle. Definitely we are buying from here. We are buying from here on BTC. We are buying from here. Let's just see if market give us it return to change of character. Let's move to 1 hour. Maybe you can see the opportunity for the buy. We not see there is no opportunity yet from buying. There's no opportunity. Liquidity swept. So this is where we are expecting building a change of character. If you can see change of character, definitely we are buying from here or here. Market is going to sweep this place here because there's no FEG down. So market has swept this liquidity already now. So market may come back here as other block. As other block. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what is happening in Ethereum. They are just moving the same thing. They're just moving. Let's start from daily as usual. This is what's happening on daily. This is the swing high. This is swing high. This is swing low. Market is in between with both. We move to 4 hours. We see what 4 hours is telling us. 4 hours is telling us same trend. This is the uptrend, and with this way we are expecting the what the other block of daily time frame because there is FEG. That's why we are expecting. That's why I'm expecting what I'm expecting the buy. But market mitigated this other block, continuing the uptrend. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours. Market give us change of character. This is the change of character other block. This is where the market is. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the last change of break of structure, change of character. Market came back to this place. And market is started giving us what? Started giving us uptrend. Let's see. This is the last break of structure. So this is where the market is going to decide. Maybe we are still selling or we are still buying. If market broke this place with full body candle, definitely we are what we are set we are selling because this is the last change of character. This is the last break of structure market gave us. Entire break of structure. So let's just see what is going on. But this other block is not strong for me. The reason why I said it's not strong is because all this candle has already been mitigated. There is no FEG that is going to say it's strong. We can say this as indicated that this FEG has not closed, but it's not strong enough for me on 4 hours. Definitely, if market breaking it, it's change to change of character. We are buying upward. That's what I'm saying. So this is the last day of Today is the last day of the week. So I pray we all be profitable. We all be profitable and successful in our trading and any other skills we are doing. Please and please kindly what the kindly this is what I'm supposed to say at the first though. But as you are watching it, keep learning seriously because we learn every day. Me sef, I'm learning every day because nobody nobody is above learning. So we learn every day. Me because me sef, I'm learning, I'm learning every day. Seriously, I'm learning every day. So peace and love. Have a successful day ahead. Have a profitable day ahead. This year is our year. Thanks.